Now, ls command is a short form of list and one of the most fundamental command in the Linux and the other Unix system. While its basic use is simple, it has many powerful options for controlling the format and the content of the output. So the basic use ls. What do you see in the on the screen? Everything. Now ls-a. Oh, so many files. छुपा के रखा था क्या? Yes. A reveals all the hidden files. So now control L, ls-l. Oh, this is the list. Okay, I'll just control L. So it has a list. This is the file permissions. D for the directory. Okay, these are the permissions. This is the group. This is the user. This is the file size. This is the last modified date, and this is the file directories. Okay, so one thing I can do is that ls-o. Oh. So what is the difference between O and ls-l is a question to you. Comment me. What is the ls-l and ls-o? Okay. Now there is one more thing, that is ls-l. This you will see control L. I will use tmux. This command is also we had used. So what this command do? This command do split this into two. So tmux is installed, so you will find that this. Now I will press Ctrl plus B and then %. So you'll find this too. Why I am doing this too? So that you can compare ls-l. Okay, and Ctrl B left arrow. I am here ls-h lh. So what is the difference? This is the 4096 and this is the 4.06. So it's a human readable. I know it's a boring thing for ls, but if you are doing something, or if you have time, so if you are watching my video, you will always see some, means a tiny bit of content which is not anywhere, or okay, let it be. So now ls-h control L, control B, control L. So now what R option does? R means it's a small r. Small r is a reverse. So I'm here, control B, left side, ls hyphen lt. Okay, so what lt do? This will short with the base of time, last modified time. So let's do it. So it's a 60. See the time. And now control B, LTR. So this will come first. Okay, so I'll press enter and you will see. So you will see side by side screen that this is reverse now. So this command is LT and this is LTR. We have added R. Okay, so you can write it like that also, ls-l-t-r. It's the same thing. Sometimes you see like this, but okay, some people have more time. Okay, so now I think I don't know when I'm editing this where I put myself. So now one more thing is I forgot something or not. So let me check my script. So if you want to short it with the size, so you have to press ls-l and capital S. So you will see that it's it will goes to the bottom. Okay, because short, and you can always reverse it. Control B, so L, capital S and R. So reverse. Same scenario with reverse. Great. Now so you can make a combination and you can find your things. What I used to do, I mostly use ls-l, okay, and ls-al. These two commands I mostly use, and one I use is like mkdir and neokloud.txt. Oh, sorry, cat neokloud.txt YML. Sorry, via neokloud.yml and wq. So what I will always search is ls, I will use while characters and then kl and then star. So you'll find that these three files are there, or al.yaml. So you'll find that neokloud.yaml is there. So what while character do? It will shows list only files that start or end with the characters. So if I want to write that neo star, so it will show all the things which is start with neo. Okay, so this we have done. cd is covered, and then ls is also covered. I'll exit it. So this tmux session is also exited. Let me check my script if something need to be done or left. Wow, I think I'm improving. So we have seen cat. We have already discussed cat command. So cat command do